All right, let's go from cars to cereal. Shares of General Mills, they are moving here on the day. It's down by about 4.25% pre-market following an earnings beat for the second quarter as the company exceeded expectations on the top and bottom lines while also raising its full-year fiscal 2023 financial targets for net sales and operating profit. I won't go over too much time here, but here's what I have in summary. Cereal was up slightly, higher prices as well. That was passed through. Hagen down is what I called it as well in my notes, as Häagen-Dazs did decline. And you had a little bit of a recall as well on the ice cream front. And then volume, that was also down as well during the quarter.
What stood out to me is, and I would say as a red flag, is organic sales in their pet food business. That is primarily Blue Buffalo. They were flat or unchanged year over year. Operating profits down 34%. And General Mills is calling out inventory adjustments at retail. So it's something I need to do a little more work in because we did get positive results in food from a Chewy. We talked to Sumit Singh last week. He called out strength in food. We had positive results in food from a Petco as well. So unclear to me if this General Mills losing market share in food, but again, something I have to dig into a little bit more.
Yeah, it seems like the volume thing is really what people are focusing on, and one of the reasons that the stock is trading down here. So that, organic sales volume, I'm seeing down 6 points, so that's a bigger drop than estimated.
And another food company showing strength on top line, but still, they're all pushing through. They all continue to push through price increases, and the volume is not keeping pace. So the consumer looks to be pulling back.
We're getting some notes in from our team, too. It seems like they're set to raise prices again in early 2023. So any continued pass-through of price increases to the consumer, that could have a near-term impact, at least on what investors are expecting on price realization for the company.
And they're not seeing any mitigation, right? The company is still forecasting input cost inflation of 14 to 15% for the full year, including double-digit inflation in the second half. So that's not very reassuring,
No,
is
not at all.
it?
No. Well, it sounds like more cereal out of the bag, maybe a little more air in the box, Julie.
Oh,
it sounds like.
inflation.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your breakfast cereal?
You guys are going to make fun of me again. I said this 3 months ago when we were talking General Mills. It's still Rice Chex. I love Rice Chex. Everybody hates me because
Where
it's
is
bland,
the flavor
it's boring.
in Rice Chex?
There's just something about that corn when it hits your tongue with some nice ice-cold milk. Not oat milk, not almond milk, regular whole fat milk. It's just good. I used to eat boxes of stuff, and I still would.
There is nothing about it because there's no flavor
what's yours?
in that.
Wait, what about yours?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Oh, that's good, though. See, I'm not hating on
Everybody
it.
loves
Don't
Cinnamon
hate
Toast
somebody else's yuck, as our former friend, as our friend Sam Rowe said.
Now,
Don't yuck
you
someone
can
else's
guess
yum.
that I like some organic crunchy cereal. You know, Heritage Flakes.
I mean, what?
Yeah.
What are Heritage Flakes? What a terrible name.
Super American.